Eid is around the corner, so let's make some beautiful gajras. Take a red ribbon of size 4 by 7 centimeter. Here I'm using fabric, so I had to seal the edges. Now this might look easy, but sealing them one by one is painful, extremely painful. But I had to do it anyways. Then using hot glue gun, join the sides by folding them as such. This is a very important step, so make sure to do it properly. Repeat the same on the other side and continue until you finish all of them. This makes one petal and we need 15 for each. Here I am only making 4 roses as we are also going to add some white flowers. It took me around a week to complete this as I was so bored of doing the same thing every day. Now while I am preparing the petals, let me tell you something about me. I started painting at the age of 12 and I literally fell in love with it. And then COVID hit us and I was left with my painting brushes and my watercolor. I literally cannot remember a day I did not paint. And now I have more than 100 paintings, 3 sketchbooks and 3 drawing books, all filled with the 5 years of me painting. Seriously. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see all of my paintings and I'll make a separate video on that. Oh, by the way, the flowers on the side are tulips which are also made by me. So if you would like a tutorial on that too, let me know in the comments. Now that our petals are finally ready, we can start joining them. Take a petal, flip it over the other side and then start joining other petals onto the side. We need to join 15 petals together to make one flower. Now you can even buy these handmade gifts from me at the most affordable rates through my Instagram account. Also, let me know in the comments from which part of the country are you watching it from. Also, make sure to like and share this video with all your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed already, come on, what are you waiting for? Also, make sure to join the petals in the right direction or you will have to do it all over again. Now, finally that we have completed making the rings, we can start turning them into flowers. Start rolling them one by one by applying glue to it. Make sure to roll them carefully because this is what will give the rose the right shape. Not to be in a hurry while doing this or else the rose won't look good. I've made these flowers so many times but still I've only made like 2 or 3 of them which are in the right and perfect shape. Once joined, you can shape them just like this with your hands and now our rose is ready. Now I did not really like the shape of this rose, I don't know why, so I decided to use a stick to roll it easily. This actually made the process better and I was able to do it properly. I wish I did this before, but of course mistakes make us learn better. Also, which one do you like more, red roses or white roses? Let me know in the comments. As you see, this looks so much better and then I just cut the stick from the ends and now we have a better rose. Now that our roses are ready, take some white fabric or even white ribbon and cut them into thin strips. Just like this, long like ribbon, and then seal the edges one by one. Continue the process until you're done with all of them. And now we need to cut them just like we did for the rose. Now for the white flowers, we need to cut the fabric of about 5.5 centimeter width and 6 centimeter or 6.5 centimeter. Then draw a rectangular shape onto the fabric piece as you can see and sew it according to that. Watch the video carefully to understand the process. Once you get the thread through all the 4 sides just like this, you will get the right shape. and then pull the thread in such a way that all the sides would come together just like this, forming small petals. Once you get that, shape the petals properly and then tie the thread around the petals in such a way that it forms a small bud, and as you can see what I'm doing here, and then you can tie a knot. Once the small flowers are ready, we need to join at least 4 of them together, just like how I'm holding it right now, and this will give them a look similar to mogra. Now that all the flowers are ready, we can finally join them together on an elastic. Now here is the important part. I used this small elastic at first, but it did not work out, so I had to change it to a. As you can clearly see here how I have sewed the flowers to the elastic band. Now the reason why I did not record the sewing part was that I did it like thrice. This was the third time and I got it finally right in somewhat way. As you can see, I took the thread and sewed the flower with the elastic. Normally people don't use elastic band for making gajras, but I decided to do it this way. Also, I stick the white flowers with the rose petals and I did not stick them to the elastic. Anyways, I love how the gajra has turned out. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. And goodbye, follow for more. I'll see you in my next video.